This is the Battery Par 61 Rechargeable RGBWA+UV Par Wash Light. This light is perfect for DJs, bars, clubs, restaurants, trade shows, house parties, and other commercial applications. This light is a huge step up compared to our Battery Par 50 because it has 6-in-1 LEDs that are super bright, and each LED can change to the colors red, green, blue, white, amber, and ultraviolet. This means you can get millions of color combinations and they will all be super vibrant and bright. Did I mention that the Battery Par 61 is fully rechargeable and battery operated? That makes it perfect for any application, whether you're going to use them on the go or use them in your own venue. The Battery Par 61 is available in two different colors of black and white, and every Battery Par 61 comes with a power cable which can be used to plug the light into the wall for power or to charge the light, a dual bracket that can be used to truss mount the light with a lighting clamp, and also to angle the light in different positions for wall washing. You can attach it to the light by screwing in these two hand tightening knobs on the side of the light over here. And finally, we have the included IR remote. This remote is super cool. It gives you a lot of functionality between picking different colors and different modes. So there's an auto mode, there's a strobe mode, there's a fade mode, and at the bottom there's a button to put the light into sound mode, which will utilize the built-in microphone on the light to change the color of the light to the beat of music or any sound in general. There are actually 4 different sound modes that all offer a really cool effect. Now moving to the light itself, let's take a look at the back first. So we have our on and off switch, and right next to that we have our LED display with 4 buttons to toggle through the menu and different functions and controls of the light. Some other cool features are the charging and battery life indicators, which show you when your light is charging and how much juice your light has and when it's time to recharge. Although you probably won't have to do that too often because the battery in this light is an absolute beast. It's got a 5,000 milliamp per hour battery, which means that this light can last up to 18 hours on a single charge for a single color. Now this light can be used for wall washing, which is why you have these 4 rubber feet on the bottom of the light to use it in floor operation mode. You can even use it against a wall, inside a totem to illuminate it, or even on the inside of a DJ facade. Now as I mentioned before, you can use the dual bracket to angle the light in different positions to give you different wall wash effects and even different stage effects. Or you can use it to attach a light clamp like our LC70 and hang it from a truss. The Battery Par 61 is an especially great stage par light because of its long battery life. And if you want a super portable way to transport your Battery Par 61s, we make a charging case that can hold 8 Battery Par 61s and charge them on the go, called the 6RF case. On either side of the light we have our standard DMX in and DMX out. You can use these ins and outs to connect to a DMX controller and control the light in DMX mode. There are 2 different DMX modes, 6-channel and 10-channel, which just gives you 2 different options for how much control you want over your light in DMX mode. You can even use the DMX to control multiple Battery Par 61s in master slave mode for a coordinated effect. By setting multiple Battery Par 61s to the same DMX address and connecting them together with a DMX cable, you can then use the IR remote pointed at the first light in your chain, and it will control all the lights together. This even works for the different sound modes so that all the lights will be moving perfectly in sync. You can also pair this light with one of our Rockville wireless DMX receivers like our DMX QR and DMX WRE. If you have a wireless DMX controller or a wireless DMX transmitter, you can then control these lights through a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which gives you more flexibility for where you can put these lights in your setup or on your rig. Or if you want a wireless DMX par light, you can buy our Battery Par 6RF, which is the same light but it adds a RF remote and wireless DMX. Each Battery Par 61 also has a standard power out on the light, so you can electrically daisy chain other lights off of it. This light is extremely versatile. You can use it to wall wash and uplight different rooms in your club or party hall, or illuminate your DJ facade or totem speaker stands. You can truss mount it for stage design and integrate it with other effect lights in your setup. So if you're looking for an extremely bright, long-lasting, and rechargeable par light, look no further than the Battery Par 61 from Rockville.